A very good morning to one and all. I'm Sudarshan, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Savita Engineering College, and I'm going to handle the subject Estimation, Costing, and Valuation Engineering. The subject code is CE8701. It is for final year students during 7th semester. So here, this subject mainly deals with the estimation of all the works that is done in terms of civil engineering. So this estimate is done in order to get the detailed estimate of the works that is being done during construction and also the cost involved in it. So in the it has 5 units. The first unit mainly deals with the estimation of the structures. An outline of today's session is the various units and textbooks. What is estimate? What is the purpose? What are the types of estimate and the estimate of structures? So the units involved in this is for unit 1 is quantity surveying, unit 2 is rate analysis and costing, unit 3 is specification reports and tenders, unit 4 is contracts, and unit 5 is valuation. Textbook is BN Data, Estimation, Costing and Civil Engineering by UBS Publishers and Distributors, BS Patel, Civil Engineering Contracts and Estimates, and DN Banerjee, Principles of Practice of Valuation. So I even generally use BN Data, that's a very good textbook. So what is estimation? An estimation is a calculation of quantities of various items of work and the expenses that are likely to occur on. The total of these probable expenses to be incurred in the work is known as the estimate of that work. So this will be equal to the close approximation of the actual cost. So the purpose. Construction estimation is the process of forecasting a project cost for a particular work. However, true project costs are only known after the project gets complete. So what are the methods of estimation? We generally have two methods of estimation. One is detailed estimate and second one is abstract estimate. Detailed estimate involves the description of each and every item of work, the numbers, the length, breadth, the height or depth. The quantity is calculated based upon the multiplication of all those, and how the quantity is getting calculated is explained in terms of explanatory notes. So this is detailed estimate. Abstract estimate. Abstract estimates calculates in addition based upon the quantities of the detailed estimate. Based upon the quantities of detailed estimate, the abstract estimate is calculated by the units rate, and the rate per unit the amount is getting calculated. So by summing all these things we'll get the amount in the abstract estimate. How to take out the quantities for doing the detailed estimate? The methods of taking out quantities, the quantities like earthwork, foundation, concrete, brickwork, and plinth and superstructure can be worked out by two methods. One is long wall, short wall method, and second one is centerline method. These two methods can also work in combination, that is known as partially centerline and short wall method. What are the various estimation of structures that we have? So we have estimation of buildings, estimation of concrete roads, estimation of bituminous roads, estimation of septic tank and soak pit, estimation of retaining wall, and estimation of culverts. So all these estimations we'll be seeing in this unit. Basically, we'll be doing long wall and short wall methods and also centerline methods. In long wall and short wall methods, the long walls and short walls will be considered and the dimensions are being done with respect to that. And in case of centerline methods, we will not be considering the long wall or the short wall. We will be taking only the centerline of the entire layout of the building. So that ends today's session. Thank you all for the kind attention. From the next session, we'll be dealing with the estimation of all these things what we have seen today. So the main thing is we'll be given a question and a diagram. With the help of the diagram, we'll be made to calculate the detailed estimate of that particular structure. Thank you all for the attention. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. I will answer. Thank you, one and all.